Good day, everyone. Learn how to reset browser settings of Edge. So open your Edge browser, and at the top right corner where you see the three dots, we need to click on that. And then we need to go to the bottom and you will find settings. Once you click on that, at the left hand side, you will find profile and privacy and a lot of things. And you just need to scroll down and you will find reset settings, and it says reset settings to their default values, and this will reset your startup page, new tab, search engine, pin tab. It will also turn off extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorites, history, and saved password will not be cleared. So you can do that, and this is how you can reset your Edge browser. If you find this tutorial helpful and short, please hit the like and subscribe, and please do share this tutorial with your family and friends and make their browser faster and better. Have a wonderful day.